A very good morning to all of you. Today we are starting with the very important topic of consumer equilibrium, that is price line. Okay, we have covered in utility analysis that consumer equilibrium can be determined with the help of utility analysis. Now second one is indifference curve, that how consumer equilibrium can be determined with the help of indifference curve. Okay, so after the properties of indifference curve, now we are moving to the very important topic, that is price line or budget line. Okay, price line and budget line is, you can say, one of the most important concept of indifference curve. Price line shows various combination of two goods. Suppose we are having two goods, X good and Y good. So price line shows various combination of two goods which consumer can purchase given the price of commodity and income of the consumer. Price line जो होता है वो दो goods के बारे में बताता है, combination है दो goods का X good और Y good, but provided आपके पास given क्या है, income जो है consumer की वो आपको given है and price of the commodity is also given to you. Okay, so how this can be proved, this is a very important concept and we would be studying about the various effects of price line also. So how it can be proved, so here we are having the table and diagram for this. If we look at the table, suppose income is given to us, income, okay, then next is combination, then next is suppose X good and here we are having is Y good. Okay, income is suppose income is given rupees 5. Combinations are A, B, C, D, E and F. Okay, X good is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. And Y good is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Okay, suppose for X good you are having 1 rupee and for Y good you are having 50 paise. Okay, I hope this table is clear to you. Income, combination, X good and Y good. So now we would be drawing the diagram out of this. Okay, X good and Y good and income. I am rubbing this combination so that I can show you the diagram. X-axis, Y-axis, we are having two good, X good and Y good. This is X good and here we are having this Y good. Okay, so combinations are for X good 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And for Y good we are having combinations 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Okay, so now if your income is 5 rupees we are given, then we are combining it. Okay, so when income is 5, okay, rupee 1 you are having, for X good you are purchasing 5 and for Y good it's 0. So how we would be doing is, for X good it is 5 and for Y good it is 0. So this will be the point. Okay, so when you would be joining these points, it will be like this. If you look at the second one, for X good it is 4 and for Y good it is 2. For X good it is 4, okay, and for Y good it is 2. Okay, like this your points will be framed from here, okay, and when you would be joining it with the help of various combinations, you can look at the table also, okay, like this, okay, it will come like this and then these will be your combinations A, B, C, D, E and F. Here. These are the combinations, okay? And by joining this line, we are getting this price line. This is your price line. So in the diagram, price line shows various combinations, that is A, B, C, D, E and F of two goods which the consumer can purchase given money income and price of two commodities. So we can also say that price line is showing the purchasing power of the consumer. कि एक consumer की purchasing power कितनी है जिसके basis पर वो X good या Y good को consume करेगा, different combinations को use करेगा. Okay, so this was the table and diagram of price line. Now the next is various effects of price line. Various effects. Now what are the effects of price line? Various effects of price line can be divided into three parts. There are three parts of it. Okay, first is effect of change in income. Second, effect of change in price of one good. On price line, and third is effect of change in relative price on price line. Effect of change in relative price. If relative price changes, then what is the effect on price line? First is effect of change in income, then effect of change in price of one good on price line, and third is effect of change in relative price. Okay, now one by one we would be doing it. Okay, so now first is effect of change in income. Now what is the effect of change in income? Okay, so if the income of the consumer increases or changes, the effect on price line can be shown in the diagram. You look at the diagram. X and Y. Okay, here we are having X good, and here we are having Y. Okay, we have drawn initial price line like this, A and B. Okay, if the initial price line is AB and if the income of the consumer increases, then it means the purchasing power of the consumer is also increasing. So then price line shifts from AB to A1, B1. Okay, income के बढ़ने से price line shift हो जाती है A1, B1. Okay, and if income of consumer falls, then vice versa, price line shifts from AB to A2, B2. A2, B2. Okay, so this is the concept that here your income is increasing and here your income is decreasing. Increase in income and decrease in income. So this was the first one, first effect of change in income. Now second one was effect of change in price of one good on price line. अगर एक गुड का प्राइस चेंज होता है और इनकम और प्राइस कांस्टेंट रहते हैं, ओके, हियर योर इनकम एंड प्राइस are constant and price of one good is changing. Income and price are constant and price of your one good is changing. So effect on the price line can be shown in the diagram. Okay, so if we look at the diagram, x-axis and y-axis. Okay, so our initial price line was this A, B. Okay, so initial price line is AB. So if the price of X falls, all other factors remaining constant, agar X good ka price, this is your X good and this is your Y good. So if the price of X good falls, okay, then price line shifts from AB to AB1. It means we are shifting like this, A, B1. Okay, and on the other hand, if price of X increases and other factors remaining constant, then price line shifts from AB to AB2, like this. AB say AB2. It's B2. Okay, so here the price line shifts from AB to AB2. Here it is decrease in price, and here it is increase in price. Okay, and third one is effect of change in relative price on price line. Now, relative price means that one commodity is comparatively cheaper and other commodity is comparatively increasing. So it can be shown in like this. Again, we are taking the same concept. X good and